Pentalift introduced its first vehicle restraint safety system approximately 25 years ago. The first model that we introduced has evolved into our HFR32 vehicle restraint. HFR stands for hydraulic, face mount restraint, and the 32 represents a 32,000 pound restraining capacity. The restraint system consists of the locking mechanism, an exterior and interior communication light system, exterior and interior communication signs, a power unit, and a control panel. At an empty bay, the restraint is in the lowered position. The outside light is green, signaling the truck driver that it's okay to back into the dock. On the inside of the building, the interconnected signal light is red, advising the dock attendant that there is no vehicle in position. Once a vehicle is backed into position, the dock attendant will activate the HFR32 vehicle restraint. Once the restraint is no longer in the park position, the outside light turns red, signaling the truck driver not to move. Once the locking mechanism raises, the signal bar of the restraint is activated as the restraint engages the trailer's rear impact guard. The inside light on the control panel switches from red to green. This signals the dock attendant that the trailer is safely locked and the dock lever can now be operated. When the dock lever is in position, the truck can either be loaded or offloaded. If the vehicle restraint is activated and the rear impact guard is either bent or missing, a warning buzzer sounds signaling that the truck is not secure. The dock attendant lowers the vehicle restraint and switches to override, illuminating the amber light. The 10.5-inch high open guard design protects the unit from accidental impact. Any dirt and debris naturally moves away as opposed to being trapped in a boxed-in design of housing. The HFR32 is a flood-resistant design. The limit switches are watertight. Other features of this restraint are a 32,000 pound restraining capacity, dual side-by-side hooking arrangement, and a return spring to ensure positive retraction to the parked position. The signal bar requires approximately 30 pounds of pressure to activate, thereby eliminating false engagement signals. As soon as the restraint is activated, two things will happen. First, the outside light will immediately switch from green to red. Secondly, the restraint will raise and capture the vehicle's rear impact guard. As you can see, this happens very quickly. Once the signal bar on the restraint is depressed by the rear impact guard, the raise cycle automatically shuts off. The inside light turns from red to green, signaling the dock attendant that the truck is secured and is now safe to operate the dock lever. With the vehicle now safely locked in position, the loading and offloading can begin. As the truck is being loaded or unloaded, it is quite common for the bed of the truck to move up or down. As the truck is loaded, the truck bed moves down. There is a hydraulic pressure relief valve in the system that automatically adjusts the restraint downward. As the truck is offloaded, the truck bed moves up. If the rear impact guard moves upward and away from the signal bar, the lift motor is reactivated and the locking mechanism automatically rises. Regardless of the truck bed movement, the vehicle restraint is designed to follow the rear impact guard, always assuring a positive lock. With the restraint set to the engaged position, if for some reason the engagement with the truck is lost at any time, the inside light turns to red while the outside light remains red. In the event of an unscheduled departure, the HFR32 vehicle restraint safely and securely holds the truck in position. The interior wall-mounted control panel is CSA certified and has a NEMA 12 rating. It features high visibility internal signal lights that, in communication with the exterior signal lights, create a communication system for the truck driver and the loading dock attendant. As a component of the HFR32 safety system, each unit is supplied with dual reverse image exterior signs directing the truck driver. The hydraulic power unit is safely installed on the interior away from the elements, condensation, and potential impact from an incoming vehicle. It is quite common to order the hydraulic dock of the vehicle restraint operating from a combination power unit. The loading dock area has been rated as one of the most hazardous areas of any facility. The Pentalift model HFR32 is a time-proven safety device for any loading dock. For additional information on this vehicle restraint or any other model of Pentalift vehicle restraint, please visit our website at www.pentalift.com or contact us directly.